What if your Alexa didn't just play music, turn on the lights, or tell you the weather? What if it could predict what you need before you even think of it? What if packages didn't take hours to arrive, but minutes, delivered silently by autonomous drones crisscrossing the sky? This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's a very real direction Amazon is heading toward. By 2030, Amazon may no longer be just a store. It could become a foundational layer of modern life, running supply chains, smart homes, city logistics, and even parts of healthcare and education. Today, we're diving deep into what Amazon 2030 could look like. From predictive AI to drone fleets, smart cities, and ethical debates, here's how one company might reshape how we live. Stay until the end, because the most surprising part isn't the technology. It's how much we'll come to depend on it. Let's start where Amazon already lives. Your home. Today, Alexa sets timers, answers questions, and plays your favorite songs. But by 2030, Alexa may become a hyper-personalized AI companion that understands your needs, routines, and preferences with stunning precision. Picture this. You're about to run out of toothpaste. You haven't noticed it yet, but Alexa has. Why? Because it's tracking your purchase history, your usage patterns, maybe even sensor data from your smart bathroom mirror. And before you can add anything to your cart, the replacement order is already on its way, arriving at your door within minutes via drone. This is powered by next-generation demand forecasting, a leap beyond what Amazon already uses. Today's forecasting models predict group trends, what thousands or millions of people might buy. Tomorrow's models will predict your individual behavior, combining AI, sensors, and contextual signals to anticipate your needs before you speak. And this goes far beyond consumables. Out of pet food? Already delivered. Seasonal wardrobe changes? Your AI stylist has updated your closet. Travel plans on your calendar? A perfectly timed travel essentials pack is waiting on your doorstep the day before. Your Prime membership could evolve from a subscription service into a personal AI concierge. Imagine an AI shopping assistant that knows your size, understands your style, tracks your health goals, and even aligns your purchases with your budget. By 2030, your relationship with Amazon may not be transactional anymore. It could feel almost like a partnership. But there's more. Now, look up. If Amazon succeeds with its Prime Air vision, the sky over cities and towns might look very different. Picture a network of electric drones, small, quiet, and fully autonomous, zipping through the air with surgical precision. These drones won't just be dropping off your package at the doorstep. They'll be operating as a coordinated AI-managed fleet. Each drone knows where to go, how to avoid obstacles, how to communicate with others, and how to deliver in minutes, not hours. But here's the key. This future doesn't just rely on technology. It depends on massive regulatory and infrastructure breakthroughs. Today, drone delivery is still limited to pilot programs. For it to scale globally by 2030, several things need to happen. Airspace needs to be managed like a digital highway with real-time coordination. Safety protocols must be bulletproof. Cities and rural areas must integrate landing pads and charging hubs. Once those pieces are in place, drone delivery becomes transformative. No more traffic delays. No more waiting for delivery windows. No more trucks clogging neighborhoods. And the drones won't just carry packages. They could also inspect infrastructure, plant crops, deliver medical supplies, or assist emergency services in disasters. Amazon isn't just building faster delivery. It's building a new logistics layer for society. And this leads us to an even bigger shift. Amazon started with books. Then it became the world's largest online marketplace. Then cloud computing, entertainment, groceries, and healthcare. But by 2030, the company's reach could go far beyond commerce. Personalized education. Imagine children learning with AI tutors that adjust lessons to their learning style, pace, and interests. Instead of one-size-fits-all schooling, students could get personalized learning experiences delivered through Amazon devices or services. Healthcare revolution. Picture Amazon health devices tracking your sleep, heart rate, blood sugar, and stress levels in real time. When your vitals indicate a health risk, your AI assistant schedules a virtual checkup, connects to a doctor, or delivers medical supplies to your door. Amazon has already entered healthcare with services like Amazon Clinic. By 2030, this could evolve into a fully integrated health platform. Supply chains that think. Behind the scenes, AI could optimize global supply chains down to the raw material. Every product's journey would be visible and tracked, ensuring carbon neutrality and efficiency. No wasted stock, no delayed shipments, just a perfect flow of goods, from production to doorstep. Fully autonomous fulfillment. Fulfillment centers could run entirely without human intervention. Robots would sort, pack, and load goods 24/7. AI systems would monitor every moving piece, predicting and solving problems before they happen. This wouldn't just make Amazon faster, it would make it unstoppable. Amazon doesn't want to just live in your home. It wants to connect your home to everything around it. Today, your smart home might have Alexa, a few connected plugs, maybe a smart lock or thermostat. But by 2030, Amazon could integrate your entire neighborhood into an intelligent network. Your home will detect when you're on your way back, adjust the lighting, temperature, and playlist automatically. Schedule drone deliveries to land just as you arrive. And it won't stop there. Autonomous delivery vehicles will complement drones, creating a seamless last-mile ecosystem. Imagine drone swarms delivering smaller items while driverless vans handle bulk deliveries, coordinated like a single intelligent organism. On a city level, Amazon could help manage energy consumption, optimize traffic, and integrate with public services. The company's data infrastructure could allow cities to reduce congestion, balance power grids, and make deliveries almost invisible to citizens. It's Amazon not just as a service, but as an operating system for cities. Of course, this future comes with massive consequences. Job displacement. Autonomous warehouses and delivery fleets could displace millions of jobs in logistics, retail, and transportation. New roles will emerge: AI system supervisors, drone traffic managers, robotic engineers, but many workers will need reskilling to adapt. Data privacy. If Amazon powers your home, your deliveries, your healthcare, and your city's logistics, it will know everything. Where you are, what you buy, what you eat, when you sleep. The question becomes, how much of our lives are we willing to hand over to one company? Regulation and control. Governments around the world will need to step in to balance innovation with oversight. Monopoly concerns, data security, and surveillance fears will grow as Amazon's influence expands. And yet, history shows us something interesting. Convenience often wins. When a service makes life dramatically easier, people tend to embrace it, even if it means giving up some control. That's why the ethical debate around Amazon 2030 isn't just about tech. It's about how society adapts. 2030 may sound distant, but it's only a few years away. And if Amazon continues at its current pace, much of what we've talked about today could become everyday reality. AI predicting our needs like a personal assistant. Drone fleets making delivery instantaneous. Homes and cities woven into a single intelligent network. A company transforming not just commerce, but the way we live. Some will find this vision exciting. Others will find it terrifying. But one thing is certain: Amazon is not standing still. So, what do you think? Would you welcome a world where Amazon powers your smart home, your deliveries, maybe even your city? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications.